Well, my hands are just way too clean. Look at them. No paint on them anywhere. Clean on both sides. What I really want to do is get them dirty all over. Absolutely every little bit of them. So there's not a clean bit left. So I put some paint on my hand and I'll go palm to palm first of all. Backs of my hands are still clean. Oh, that's good. Interlacing fingers. And on the other side. That's it. Getting much dirtier now. Looking better. But fingers to fingers interlaced front ways. And then knuckles to knuckles with a bit of a rotation like that. Get paint into all those little cracks. Thumbs are awfully clean though. And get the thumbs nice and dirty as well. A nice twisting action. Now I want my palms and fingertips to be particularly dirty. So just give those an extra wipe in the murk. Then onto the wrists. So we can see there's no clean bits left. I've managed to get dirty, messy paint absolutely everywhere with no clean bits at all. That's exactly what I wanted. But of course we don't really want to get dirty, we want to get clean. So let's look at another clip. Now I don't have access to running water and soap just now, so I'm going to use a good dollop of 60% alcohol hand gel. A little bit round in my palms, then interlace fingers on the back on one hand, and then the same on the other hand. And interlace fingers on the front. Knuckles to knuckles with a twisting action to get in all those little crevices and gaps. And don't forget the thumbs. Twisting motion on both thumbs. Fingers and palms to get fingers and palms particularly clean. And then both wrists. And there we are, that took exactly 31 seconds to do, which is about what you should be doing as well. Now a few squirts of alcohol hand gel on the bench. And a lighter, and we can see that it burns. So do remember, alcohol, oh that was hot. Do remember, alcohol will burn. And when we turn the lights out, we can see that really clearly. So do be careful with flames when we're dealing with these alcohol hand gels, and if there's alcohol on your hands. And there has been a couple of cases of people with hands wet with alcohol who've touched a door or a surface and they've had a static shock that's actually started fire to the alcohol, and that's caused burns. So make sure the alcohol is fully dry before you carry on with your normal activities.